What's up guys, it's Thomas here, and I haven't been uploading because my printer's been broken and I've been really stupid. So, yeah. Okay, so I got some Vertigo Gray filament. I'll show you some prints with it in a second. Sorry about this week. I got some filament and Vertigo Gray. Also, one sec. In a future video, I'm going to be showing you this Halo helmet, and we're going to be painting it and finishing it. It's really cool. What was that? Oh, got it. I'm also going to be showing you this 555 timer circuit that's USB powered of my sign that actually doesn't even use an Arduino. I'll show you guys about that too. So I'm gonna go show you guys some things I've been doing. Okay. First, these are my Vertigo Gray filament prints. This is a Benchy. I printed it before my printer broke. I just printed my most previous print is this default CO10 cat, and then I built a Wild Rose Builds puzzle cube. This thing is super satisfying. Just to put together and stuff. So that's one of the things I've been working on. But here's what I've been doing. So my 3D printer doesn't even have its bottom on it, or the power supply. It's not even attached. But currently I'm printing what do you call it? Again, like a 3D printed fabric. It's really cool. This is the first, I'm really praying that this works because it'll be my first successful attempt at this. And I'm putting with my red filament here from Nova Maker. My Octoprint just set up right there, so you guys are going to see that. I've also made a candy machine. This is a 3D printed one, just confirm it. And I also put a See Me Sand sticker on the front. I think it looks pretty cool. And one more thing. So in 2 days, I will have my CO10 so on this Thursday. In 2 days, I will have my CO10 for exactly 1 year. I got it on August 16th of last year. So, when we celebrate that, I'm going to be doing thoughts of CO10, 1 year thoughts and stuff. So, yeah. And on November 1st, I think, I'm going to do my channel anniversary, which I consider as my first Thingiverse Thursday video. So I'm going to start uploading again. Yay! Yeah, and Thingiverse Thursdays will still be on the line. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, so you know what's up with my channel. And, bye!